No, Misty, don't
Is it
have.
cold outside?
It's chilly.
What?
Good morning, Philippines!
What do you think you're doing here? Huh? What do you think? Punta lang ako sa taas and edit pa mode. Maglinis lang ako guys, hindi ko na kayo dalhin. Gumagawa po ako ng ano ngayon guys. Tuna salad. Para kay Tami. So, yeah. Tuna salad for Tamimoy. Ito yung ginagawa ko kasi, ano, gusto niya ng tuna salad. Dalhin sa isang bahay. Alam nyo, kahapon sana, pupunta kami sana doon. Kung ako yung pumunta doon sa isang bahay, bisitahin sana namin si Bianan. Kaso parang itong si Tami, parang hindi ko mag-gets. Gustong pumunta talaga dito. Alam nyo guys, yung ano ko, yung green card ko, iwan ko, ang tagal talaga nila mag-process. USCIS, ang tagal. Iwan ko kung ano yung processing daw nila is 8 to 13, ano, 8 to 13 or 8 to 12 months. Hopefully, I can receive my green card, you know, before March end. Because if that's the case, wala tayong green card, guys. Illegal tayo dito, guys. What do you mean by she got it?
She's brought it outside.
Oh, no, then if it's brought it outside, that means it's still outside
Well, she
still.
can go off the porch. I don't see it on the porch.
No, then she threw it. Oh, then she leave it out
I
there.
don't see it. Unless Misty took it. She don't have it. No, Misty don't
Is it
have.
cold outside?
It's chilly. Not cold, it's chilly.
Oh, I love you.
Well, you too. You left your bone. That's stupid. I told you to leave it in here, but
You're
no.
stupid, Rock. You're stupid.
No, get another one.
Is this okay?
Yeah, need a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of vinegar.
You would never really put lemon juice.
I know. I'm making it different now because.
Oh. What is mayonnaise, right? Oh, we don't have mayonnaise.
How do we not have mayonnaise? You serious?
You said, because I look, mayonnaise is killer for kidney. And I threw it out, hon.
You did not throw it out.
I did.
Hon, you gotta be out of your friggin' mind.
Wow.
Because they said it's not good for you.
Well, now I gotta go to the store. You know how much mayonnaise costs? Throw it out.
Taxi!
A jar of mayonnaise is like $18 now.
So stop using it. Here, open. Give me the onion and garlic, please. Powdery.
You can't make tunas out without mayonnaise. It's crazy.
Well, you know what, honey? I think you can eat it the way it is, like this, oh.
No.
And you put,
Then you won't crave it anymore. You won't want it anymore. Not much in here.
hello, honey.
I don't know where she put it. I don't see it nowhere.
It's probably over there.
Nice.
What?
Do I kiss the dogs? No, I don't kiss them. Dogs, they kiss me. They tongue all over me.
Look, this is not enough. I think this is good enough.
I don't think so. But
Do you have another one?
yeah. But let's mix first before we open another one. I can see it already.
Yeah.
All right.
He's already starving, guys, because I can see his face like this. See, Tommy, I don't want Tommy to go to the store hungry, guys. He will pick everything he saw. He will see. And his tongue is always, it's like Roxy. I always notice this. You like Roxy, you know that?
Okay. So I'm the dog. I got it.
Cannot even open it right.
Oh, the plastic stuck.
Here. Oh, I need paper though. I want the grinder because it's nice and fresh. I like this. It's fresh and you can smell it.
It's not in shape before.
So here's his tuna salad, guys. I will show it to you how nice and colorful it is. Let me show the camera. I'll show the salad. Oh, how nice it is. And it's unhealthy, guys.
It's tuna fish, guys.
It's unhealthy. You know why? Mayonnaise makes it unhealthy. Okay, guys. I will let Tommy try laing. Okay. Laing first and then after that jackfruits. Okay. Come here. What do you think?
I have something familiar about it.
What is the familiar about it?
No, must be one of the spices.
Okay, and also tell me which one is good. Okay. Tell me which one is good.
It's good. Oh, we crave it, but it's good.
I mean, which one is good better? For you, you have to pick one. The jackfruit or the laing?
Jackfruit.
He liked my jackfruit! Of course, because he knows I'm cooking it. I was...
No, that has no right to have nothing to do with it.
It doesn't do with it. Okay then. You want more? If you like it, you want more. The laing is kind of too much. Too much kind of seasoning in it. But it's good for me too. What Roxy said?
That she should be treated like a human being, not like a dog.
She is a freaking human being in this house. I treat her like my own
You
kids.
just threw her off the furniture.
Because she sit down
That's what you do to your kids, you throw them on the floor?
Because I don't throw her. She just decided to get down because she told me that she's in my chair, that there's no cover.
She told you that?
You told
What do
me.
you mean tell you that?
You told me. So now she doesn't. She want to take everything, guys, everything. She wanna own the furniture. She want to own everything, just like Hubs. Let me eat this chocolate again. Malapit na siyang matapos. This is the chocolate. It's not gonna go bad, Han, right?
Probably not.
Huh?
Well, eventually it will, I guess.
Eventually it will.
Should put it in the freezer.
Maybe there is worm. I'm going to cut this, guys. Let's cut this because I saw a chocolate, a Ferrero Rocher in the Facebook, guys. When they open it, guys, there's a lot of worms like this. So I was thinking,
That's from the nuts.
Huh?
That's from the nuts.
On Facebook, and then a big one.
I know, but that's from the nuts.
Really?
Yeah, nuts when they get wormed in.
Oh my God!
That's what that Mexican jumping bean is.
And then I was thinking, oh, I'm not gonna like eat Ferrero Rocher.
Yes, like nuts with a juicy center.
Yeah, shit. Make your kids
That's
crazy.
idiots.
It's a whole thing. There's no nuts in here, right?
No.
I just want to make sure there's no worm under it.
No, I have chocolate on a dark chocolate.
This dark?
No.
No, that's a mint one.
Yeah, dark chocolate with mint.
Okay, don't eat like a lot, huh?
I don't know why you put it in.
Don't eat a lot. A really good chocolate.
Oh, this is better. Here, try all these.
The mint, you didn't even taste the chocolate. I don't like it. I like this one. You don't taste the chocolate dark. It's the same. This is better, hon. This is. You can't have chocolate rock. Tapos na ako sa salad, guys. Yung chicken is i-grill ko na lang siya sa electric grill. And meron naman kaming pasta last night left over, so that's the dinner.
I'd rather just take it out to the regular grill.
No, honey.
Right?
Just do it here, please. Mag-grill tayo. I'm going to season the backside. So, what kind of seasoning is in this?
Well, the nice thing you just put the garlic in it, I guess.
Okay. Oh, guys, sa mga nagtatanong pala kung anong pangalan nito, hindi ko alam talaga. The name of this is, hold on ha, I think G.O. Gotham?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
The name of this thing,
What is it?
grill. Yeah, Gotham. Gotham still. Yeah. Nabili po ni Tami ito, I think sa Walmart. Marami naman sa Walmart, guys. Different kind. 4 o'clock na kasi and balik si Tami sa isang bahay kasi bukas maaga yung trabaho niya. Life is too short. Yun guys, tapos na kaming kumain. And tapos na, hindi ako kumakain masyado kasi the socks is in the thing, dryer and the underwear. Tinanong ko lang yung pagkain ni Tami dalhin. Alis na yung mister ko. Marami pa akong gagawin sa taas. Anong oras na guys? Malapit nang mag 6 o'clock ng gabi. Let me check your sister, Misty. Come here, sister. Come here, sister. Sister Roxy. Oh, Dada's kissing Hubsy Bob. Oh, jealous mo na, oy. Dada's kissing Hubsy Bob. Oy. Oh my God, he's laying down over there.
I start to get dressed and he starts crawling. Because I'm leaving out, he's gonna crawl.
Oh my goodness. Look, look, look.
Down, puppies, down.
Ay, nako. Oh, you're such a spoiled babag. Spoiled babag. Spoiled, ay. Look at Roxy. Always jealous, and she wants to be number 1. She just come here when you come here?
No, apparently she was on, but I said, now look at the socks on.
The cover I forgot to put it back. Look at her. You can't do anything now, honey.
The bowl is right. Well, we don't really treat her.
Oh, like she came down. Hi guys, we're going to end the vlog. My baby is going na. I'm going to end the vlog with him. And thank you guys so much for watching the video. I will see you guys sa mga susunod nating vlog. Good night guys. And of course, I have my little boy on top.
Hi guys.
Yeah, Tommy's leaving. Good night, Han.
Hi guys.
How's he bug? How's he bug? Han, can you put him down? He wants to jump. Okay. Hello, why she is hiding, Han?
Oh.
Dimples, look.
Come on, Dibs.
So, I think I need to buy more battery of this camera because the battery is not holding more juice anymore. So, Han, the gift card that you give me, there is like still money there.
Okay.
I'm going to use that to buy another fake battery for Canon because this camera battery is not holding the juice anymore like longer. Okay, so I'm gonna bring him to the car and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Good night guys. Hatid ko lang siya sa sakyan niya sa garage. And yeah, bye-bye.
I don't forget you, monkey girl.
Monkey girl. Bye guys.
So